Hello, I would like to introduce you to the AWS Certified Security Specialty course. My name is Bruno Mar Almeida and I'm based in Helsinki, and I work in areas such as cloud, DevOps, security, data engineering, and AI. I've been working with AWS for over 6 years. I work also with Microsoft Azure, and I'm very passionate about cultural and digital transformation, and I've been involved in several projects, both from a human perspective, coaching and mentoring engineering teams, but also from a practical hands-on perspective. So I would like to introduce you to the AWS Certified Security Specialty course, and allow me to make a quick course overview. So the course starts with a quick introduction and setup and a bird's eye view about AWS security. What's the current status in general? Then we start deep diving and tackling the Section 2 and Section 3 infrastructure security, both from a compute perspective but also the network perspective. Then in Section 4 and 5, we start discussing about AWS services for logging and monitoring. So both the core services that you have in AWS for this purpose, but also the security managed services that you can leverage. Then in Section 6 and in Section 7, we do a deep dive into AWS Identity and Access Management. So of course we will cover the IAM service, but also web, mobile, and federation. In Section 8 and 9, we will discuss about data protection, both from data encryption perspective at rest and also in transit. Then in Section 10, we will discuss about how can we manage security incidents. What do we do when something goes wrong? How do we detect that? And we finalize the course with a conclusion and a final preparation for the AWS certified exam. Now, there are some prerequisites for this course, and I want to open up that with you. So this course is intended for cloud professionals who want to clear the AWS Certified Security Specialty certification. The cloud professionals should be looking to building security layers in the AWS deployments, so that should be something that you have some interest about, of course. Also, the knowledge security controls for workloads, both in AWS but also in IT. It is, of course, very beneficial, so you should have some hands-on experience in managing cloud workloads. Familiarity with AWS is beneficial. It's not a must, but it does help a lot. We will be covering AWS services that some of them we will not go so deep because that implies different knowledge that is not security specific, but in general you need to have cloud expertise. Now, the goal of this course is to get you familiar with data classifications and AWS data protection mechanisms, for you to understand data encryption methods in AWS, both at rest and in transit, how to design an AWS solution in a secure way, leveraging the managed services, and take that in terms of cost of the security features and the complexity of them, and what's the impact of the architecture. So let's get started. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.